In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to fix Telegram when it's not opening on your Android device. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If Telegram isn't opening, try restarting the app, swipe it away from the recent apps list and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve app issues. Restart your phone or tablet and try opening Telegram again. Make sure Telegram is up to date. Go to Google Play Store and search for Telegram and update it if a new version is available. Now, clearing the app's cache and data can fix some issues. Go to Settings, then on Apps, scroll down and tap on Telegram and tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Let me show you in this one, and simply hit on Clear Cache and Clear Data. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram. This can fix any corrupted installation files. Now update your device's operating system. Go to Settings, then on System, then click on System Update. If there is an update available, tap on it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Telegram not opening on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.